travel to the planet Talk, own planet, Mother Earth. She will going to excite you with an exciting story. So please welcome her with claps. Earth? It looks like you're going through a tough time, I guess.
Yeah, times are tough. Some species is trying to destroy me.
Oh, that's really sad. But you know what? We are the humans, the most intelligent species in the world. So we might help you.
Doubt that. You, my friends, are the villains of my story.
Us? We build civilizations on you. We grow plants. We're the heroes, not
Yeah, you are intelligent, but you are greedy and selfish.
interesting topic, not your lecture, my dear Earth.
Okay. Then tell me, what's the most important and precious thing in the universe?
Diamond, I guess?
No, it rains on many planets. It's wood. It's only found on me. And you guys are cutting them if it has no value. Yeah, sun is very old, but the answer is water. I preserved it from billions of years, and thanks to humans, you are polluting them.
Okay, that's enough. I can handle this. You're
I'm-
getting boring now.
I'm not here to entertain you. If I suffer, you suffer too.
Me? I look so good. There's nothing I suffer.
But we are suffering. Yes, your generation has no oxygen or clean water. Wake up, people, before this planet also gives up on life.
Do something before it's too late. I will always guide you as a mother.
After home and school.